Welcome back to Gear Strong, where we bring you the latest in the world of cars. Today, we have something exciting, an all-new 2025 Fiat Punto. The legendary hatchback is back with a fresh design, modern tech, and an updated powertrain. Is this the ultimate affordable city car? Let's find out. Starting with the front, Fiat has completely revamped the Punto's design. The signature grille now features a sleek honeycomb pattern, flanked by sharp LED headlights with a more aggressive stance. The daytime running lights give it a modern touch, and the lower bumper has sportier elements, hinting at its dynamic personality. The Fiat badge has been replaced with bold lettering across the grille, following the brand's latest design trend. Moving to the side profile, the Punto retains its compact yet stylish hatchback shape. The body lines are smoother, making it look more refined. The wheels, available in sizes up to 17 inches, have a striking design that adds to its sporty appeal. Fiat has also improved aerodynamics, helping with efficiency and performance. Now, at the back, the 2025 Punto takes inspiration from its bigger sibling, the Fiat Tipo. The LED taillights stretch across the rear, giving it a wider look. The redesigned bumper and subtle roof spoiler enhance its sporty vibe. Fiat has managed to modernize the Punto while keeping its classic charm intact. Stepping inside, the cabin is a huge upgrade from the previous generation. A fully digital instrument cluster, a floating infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and premium soft touch materials give it a much more upscale feel. The flat-bottom steering wheel and sporty seats add to the driving experience, while practical features like wireless charging and a panoramic sunroof make it more appealing. Fiat has packed the Punto with modern safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Punto is expected to come with a range of engine options, including a 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine and a mild hybrid variant. The base model delivers around 100 horsepower, while the hybrid version improves fuel efficiency. A sportier Abarth model could also be in the works, bringing more power and a more aggressive design. The Punto remains a fun-to-drive hatchback, with improved handling and a refined suspension setup for a comfortable ride. Finally, pricing. Fiat aims to keep the Punto affordable, with an expected starting price of around $18,000 to $22,000, depending on the trim level. If a high-performance Abarth version arrives, it could push past the $25,000 mark. So, is the 2025 Fiat Punto the ultimate city car? It brings back the charm of the original with a modern twist, making it a strong contender in the compact hatchback segment. What do you think? Would you pick the new Punto over its rivals like the VW Polo or Ford Fiesta? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome car content. This is Gear Strong, and we'll see you in the next one.